Good morning, everyone. I am Ayesha from CDR branch. Yes, I'm from Group B. Here, my maths. This is a game for maths, basically for grade 3. So I just wanted to tell that this is a division game where children from grade 3 are really feeling difficult. So I just thought of this game. The name of the game is Division Dice Game. So I'll explain it more about it. So the materials required here, I'll just show the materials, whatever required. I need 3 dices. I need a marker, a template. I've just made a template here. So this one, if I'm playing through online also, I can just tell students to just draw a line in a plain paper. So here, just to get the terms clear for grade 3. So this is divisor, dividend, quotient, which will be the score for students. This is bonus plus 10 points if they get it. And this is a total score. The target here is to reach 200 points. And this game can be played either in a team that is of 2 in a pair, or it can be played in a group that is 6 students at a time, or individual game is also fine. Throughout the class, completely in the class also it can be played. So here, this is a working sheet, just a rough sheet. Another simple template can also be made for this, like this: player 1, player 2, and player 3. But this is for grade 4. But for grade 3, I would prefer this so that they get their terms clear. Now, I'll just explain how to play the game now. So here I have these 3 dices. The first thing I'll do is I'll roll all the 3 dices together. When I roll it, I get some numbers. So I choose 2 dices to form a 2-digit number. So I choose these 2 dices to form a 2-digit number, and this one will be a divisor, with which I will be dividing the number with. So this is 43 what I've got, what I've formed now. So I'll take a working sheet and I write here the first number, 43. This is what I've formed a 2-digit number with. And this is 1, which is my divisor. So I will write an equation here, 43 divided by 1. Now, in the template, I'm going to write down the same things here. So the divisor of mine will be 1. Dividend is what I formed the number with, so 43. Now, I will do the working, simple working. So 43 divided by 1. So it is 43 itself. I get the remainder 0. When I get the remainder 0, this is something very enjoyable thing here where students will really enjoy. So if at all I get a remainder 0, I will get 10 points extra. This is what I've written here, bonus 10 points. Only if the remainder is 0. If I get some remainder, I don't get that extra points. So my points will be my quotient. So this is my quotient. This is my points here, 43. So I'm going to write here 43 plus 10, because my remainder was 0. I will write it here as 10. Now I'm going to add these both, because score plus bonus. So I get here total score is 43 plus 10, 53. So that was the first one. The same dices, I will just swap it and make another number now. There's another number formed. That is, I will form it as 31. So I formed it as 31 divided by, this is the remaining one, 4. So I will write it like this, 31 divided by 4. So this is another number which I formed it with the same dices. So here, this is a player 2 who will be writing. So this can either be individual one, or I can make it for everyone and keep it. So I will write it here again. Divisor is 4. And the number what I formed was 31. Now the same working, I'm going to do it for that. 31 divided by 4. So 4 sevens are 28. Yeah. So I got my remainder here, if you can see. So this is my remainder where I do not get my bonus points because I got my remainder 3. And this is my score, 7. So here I'm going to write down here in the quotient place 7. And bonus will be 0 because I got my remainder there. And the total score will be 7. Again, the same dices can be used To form another number now, I will just make it like this. 13. 13 divided by 4. So you can form like the 6 numbers like this. 13 divided by 4. This is the third player. So I'm going to write it here. 4, 13. And here I'm going to divide it the same way. 13 divided by 4. So when I get it, 4 3s are 12, and I get again the remainder. So 3 is my point here. The quotient will be 3. That is my score. And bonus, I get 0 because I got the remainder there, and my score is 3. Again, I form the number again, some other number. I form 34. This is how the game goes on. 34 divided by 1. So here I got 34, and I got extra bonus points because I got my remainder 0 again. So again it is here 1, 34. The quotient will be 34 plus the 10 points bonus. So I got 44 as a score. So if I go on like this, and when I see the total score, the first player who formed the number and the total score is 53 will be the winner. So in this one, first thing, the terms will be very clear for them, which they usually get confused with. The second thing, they'll enjoy because there's bonus points here when they get 0. And another important thing, they can learn how to form the equation here. This is how to form the division equation, which is very important, which they'll be learning. 3 dices can be used for multiplication also. When I roll this dices, again I form these 2 digits, this 2, so 31. Again 31 into 1. I can play the same game for multiplication also with the same dices. So this is about it.